Hello, we're in Trader Joe's for another alkaline grocery shopping. Let's see what we can get with a high pH. Alright, they've got some nice plants. Some plants that are still growing, but it's hybrid. Cherry tomatoes. One of my favorites. Are these also cherry? Here's some Roma tomatoes. Ooh, basil. Got basil growing at home. We've got some giant strawberries. When you're picking out strawberries, you should look for the smaller strawberries. And definitely that stuff is nasty. Hybrid. Acid. Ooh, mango. The papayas are good. Melons are good with seeds in them. Honeydew are good. These ones are genetically engineered, but cantaloupe are good too. Spelt oranges are awesome, but there's other crap added in there. Hybrid. Alright, let's see, we've got some kale. That's good, as long as it's organic. Cucumbers. Spinach is no good. And neither is iceberg lettuce. Apples are. Ooh, organic pears. So many types of apples. Alright, here's some apple dip. I'm sure this is terrible. Alright, do we have any non-sparkling mineral water? Just want regular mineral water. This has aloe. Let's see if this one is any good. 99%. Ascorbic acid, fail. These ones are okay. It's just got coconut water, that's it. Alright, let's see what else we can find. Definitely not those gummies. Ooh, mango nectar. What's in it though? Oh man. Sugar, ascorbic acid, citric acid. That's 3 types of acid in a row. Nope. Let's see if we can find any more coconut milk. I prefer it in a carton, but this has a bunch of stuff added to it again. Definitely not. They don't have any Kamut puffs here. What about protein bars? No way. There's all kinds of terrible acids in there. See about protein shake. Oh, sucralose, tricalcium phosphate, artificial flavors. Okay, here's some coconut milk and cream. That's good. Does this have anything else in it? Alright, that one's good. Let's see. We get dried bananas and mango, but none of this garbage. No nuts except Brazil nuts and walnuts. And if you're sure of the source of the almond, but... Ooh, onions. Gotta have some onions. But no potatoes. Starch much? Hello, we're done at Trader Joe's. So, here's what we got. We got dried baby bananas, which are so good. They're weird, but you should try them. We got just mango slices. We got kale, organic, hemp seeds, mineral water, strawberries, coconut water, and limes. And that's all we got, although they did have a bunch more alkaline stuff. So where do you like to shop? Comment below if you want us to do a certain store. And if you want in our group where we share recipes and other alkaline tips, lifestyle and diet tips, I'll post the link below. So join the group. It's called Bioelectric Awakening, and I'll see you there. Feel free to ask questions. Until next time, have an amazing day on purpose. Bye.